No, no, no.
We'll put Lucius in.
You want to put Lucius in?
Yeah, he's already in. Come on, baby. Back in. Come on, boy.
Oh, baby.
Oh, come on. Lucius, come on, boy. Come on. Come on, baby.
Give him the trailer, honey.
Monkey, come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on, monkey. Here, close the door, and then I'll jump. Close the door, close the door, close the door. Come on, monkey. Hush, hush,
Come on,
hush,
baby.
hush, hush. Come on, monkey.
Get in, honey.
All right, close the door, close the door. Hush, 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 hush. All right. Trying to get this.
Well, I get that pipe that Wentz has got. Manguera.
No hay más mucho más que se enoja. Oh my. Oh boy.
Oh, baby.
Hush, hush, hush. Hush, hush. Ábrele.
Are you going to put Lucius up there?
First. Ciérrale, ven.
Going to put this cow in here, number 48?
Push, come on. Come on, monkey. Come on. Esa no, ¿verdad?
Put the cow in. She wants to go in, put her in.
Come on. Little. Here, make them move the door over here. A ver, hay que se salgan todos estos, man.
The monkey's about to knock me over. Okay.
All right, close it. Hush. Monkey, come on, you fucking asshole. Just get the fuck in there, god damn it.
Jim. Settle down. You don't want to piss him off.
Come on. Get the fuck in there. Holy shit. Hush.
Go on. Let's go.
Get in
Vámonos.
there. Hush.
Why don't we put some pepper?
Hush.
Alfalfa.
Close it. Hush. Come on, monkey. Come on, asshole. Come on. You're just being a dick.
difficult to do this with a camera. Okay. Well, we got one big one in there.